You need 4 cloves of garlic that are finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese, a bowl of cheddar cheese, 6 to 7 lasagna sheets, some fried potatoes, and 150 to 200 grams of boneless chicken. For making the red sauce, you need 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 2 chicken or beef shami kababs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, soya sauce, chilli sauce and vinegar 2 tablespoons each, and a bowl of tomato puree. For this, simply grind 2 medium-sized tomatoes. For the white sauce, you need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of oregano and half a teaspoon of white pepper. Pour some water in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil to it. As the water begins to boil, add the lasagna sheets to it. Boil the sheets for about 5 to 7 minutes. Drain the hot water and rinse the sheets with cold water. Add about 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add the onions to it. As the onions turn translucent, add the tomato puree to it. Add 1/3 of a glass of water. Now put the lid on and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see that the tomatoes and the kebabs have been cooked. Now add the spices and the wet ingredients. Let the sauce cook for about 1 minute on medium flame. Red sauce is ready. Pour it out in a bowl. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add the chopped garlic to it. Cook for about 20 seconds and then add the chicken to the garlic. Add 1/3 of a glass of water. On the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. As the chicken gets cooked, turn off the flame. Put the chicken cubes into the red sauce while saving the broth for the white sauce. A pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter to it. As all the butter melts, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour while keeping the flame at low. Add the chicken broth. Now add the milk. About 1 minute on medium flame till the sauce becomes a little thick. Now here we have a container that fits into our microwave, the lasagna sheets. I have mixed the cheddar and the mozzarella cheese, the red sauce, the white sauce, and the fried potatoes. Add the white sauce to the sides and the bottom of the container. Add a lot of cheese at the top. Microwave for about 2.5 minutes. hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did so, please hit that bell button right next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Please like and share the video.